Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. So first things first, you have to go to any web browser and then search for DaVinci. So you have to look for the black magic site. You have to scroll down here and you have to click this DaVinci Resolve, click this one. Now it will show you some options. So basically we will be downloading it to our Windows 11, so tap on Windows. Once you tap this, you should see the notification that it is now starting to download. You should see it right here. Once done, you need to fill in some information like your name, address, also the reason why you want to download this. And then once done, then what you're going to do next is tap on register and download. So what you're going to do next is you have to wait. And this is what it looks like once you finish download. So you have to extract this file, open extract file. Once done, you can now open the folder and you need to run this as administrator. So you have to right click, run as administrator. You have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, mostly. And then after that, tap on install. You have to make sure also that you have huge storage here in order for you to finish this one. So agree with the terms and condition, tap on next to proceed. Just follow the prompt right here and then just continue. And as you can see, it needs this storage right here. So I had to delete some applications first and I'll be right back. So once your storage is now okay, then you can now proceed. So install, wait for a couple of minutes. And then once done, you should see the finish button right here. And all you have to do is to tap that one. Installation complete. You can now open your DaVinci and then create your new or first ever project. Okay, so tap continue here and then just proceed. Now you can create a new project or import a project and edit it inside DaVinci. So this is DaVinci. I'm going to create first a project so that you would know what's inside. And here's DaVinci Resolve. So that's how easy it is to download DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.